Hello everyone, welcome back to onboard of third tutorial of your MLFlow. In this particular video, I'm gonna show you about the ML UI, right? You had seen how we lost our artifacts, how we lost our parameters, how we lost our metrics, everything. Now, in this particular video, we're gonna see about UI, about its UI. So simply what we will do, MLFlow UI. Yeah, so just simply write MLFlow UI. When you write MLFlow UI, they will give you one URL. So what you need to do, just simply control and click that. So you will be directed to a page. So when you will open this page, let's see that you will be see 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago and 7 minutes ago we had created, right? This is the run name, this is the user who had created, this is the source Python file, this is the models we had used, this is your AME value, R2 value, RMSE value, alpha value and L1 ratio value. Everything is there. So actually this is in the tabular data. If I want to see something, I want to compare like what actual parameter I want to keep for my model that it can perform well. So how gonna do that? Simply this checkbox, click here, it will get all selected and you have a one compare button. Just click there. When you click on the compare button, you can see everything. This one is your parallel coordinates plot. So in the parameter section, you are given alpha and ratio and matrix. If you gonna change that, if you wanna add, I want to see R2 as well. Okay. I want to see RMSE as well. You can check all your alpha values, L1 ratio, MAE, R2 and RMSE according to that. Then you can pick that, right, for your model. This is the main thing. Now let's see if you want to see in the scatter plot. See here your alpha value 0.5 is what default and MAE given 0.61, right? When we come here, it's alpha ratio, alpha value, L1 ratio, right? When we come here, if we want to see in the box plot, how we can see that? Okay, in the box plot, we can see that run name, right? Select on the x-axis. Let's take alpha. We can add more. No, one at a time, right? Alpha. Let's check MAE, right? You can try by your own, right? MAE, right? These are all things you can explore also. When you see the contour plot, right? So you can check out on the z-axis I want R2, RMSE. Okay. So you will get all these. So this is all about the visualization, right? I think when we go on the model sections, when we place on the model section, right, we are not given the actually registered the models. Okay, got it. So we will come back. We need to register our model as well there, right? In the next video, what I will teach you, like I will give you how to package everything one at a time and send it, right, to execute the code directly, right? I will show you how to package that. It's their feature. Till then, subscribe the channel, like the video.